In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I got approved for $30,000 credit card limits with just the soft pull.
Okay, money magnets, we're talking about town and country bank and trust. Now, let's dive into what products they have available and see how Marvin was able to get approved. The first card is the Cash Rewards Platinum Visa card. Now, with this card, you don't have to pay an annual fee, and you know how I feel about holding a card in your wallet without the fees, okay? The next thing about this card is it's a 0% APR for the first 12 months of having the card. So you can go swiping and do balance transfers or swipe and don't pay any interest for the first 12 months. Money magnet, that right there can be a cash flow changer for you. The other thing I love about this card is that it gives you a free credit score every month. So we always talk about how important it is to look at your credit.
Yeah.
They give that to you for absolutely free. Marvin, the other thing that I love about this card is it gives you unlimited 1% cash back on everyday purchases.
That's good.
So every time you go swiping, you're getting benefits.
Yeah.
I just love this card. So Marvin, let's see what else they have available for our money magnets.
All right, guys, remember to like and share this video. Also, anyone can get approved for these credit cards. And guys, we got a special bonus for you in this video. And make sure you comment below if you have any experience with town and country. But let's jump into the rewards platinum visa. With this card, you get unlimited points for every purchase every day. Also, you get 0% for 12 months, guys. And you know what that means? If you're running out of 0% for 12 months on another card, you can transfer it to this card. Now, guys, you got up to 2 years with 0%. Also, guys, it's no annual fee. And this is a great card if you want to build rewards and actually redeem them. And remember, if you're looking to get up to $250,000 for your business, look in the description below. Make sure you book a free business strategy call with Gloria and myself. But Gloria, let's tell them about the next card.
Okay, the next card is the Visa Signature card. Now, with this card, it doesn't have an annual fee as well.
Mm-hmm.
And you know the color is black, and you know how I feel about the black card in my wallet, money magnets. It gives you 1.5 points on every purchase, every dollar that you spend on everyday purchases.
Right.
It also gives you a bonus of 30,000 points when you spend $2,500 in the first 90 days of having the card, and is 0% interest on balance transfers, as well as everyday swipes for the first 12 months. Also, it gives you concierge service, as well as it gives you a free credit report every month.
Nice.
So you'll know where you are every single time, you know, your credit updates and reports. So
Right.
that's something good to have. But Marvin, let's see what else this bank has to offer.
All right, they also have a platinum Visa card. With this card, this is their low rate card, which means when you run out of the 0% for 12 months, this is the lowest rate on all of their credit cards that you'll get. And what I need you guys to realize is, remember, get the credit card that pertains to your lifestyle.
Mm-hmm.
Don't just get a card because somebody's talking about it on YouTube. Make sure that credit card fits your lifestyle. Now, Glory, let's get them the bonus we don't normally do. They have a business credit card section. We're going to go over the business credit cards for you guys. Let's jump into it, Glo.
Okay, money magnets, I know you've been waiting for us to talk about the business side. So let's jump right into it, okay? So with this particular bank, on the business side, you get 1% cash back on business purchases, everyday purchases. Whatever you swipe for
Right.
your business, you're getting rewards for it, and you have to buy it anyway, so why not swipe it? Okay, the other thing I love about this business credit card is that it's 0% interest for 6 months.
Yeah.
So that gives you the opportunity, if you a new startup, you know, if you have a lot going on, it gives you the opportunity to jumpstart your business and pay no interest for 6 months. That right there, Marvin, can most definitely be a cash flow changer for you. The other thing that I love about this card is that there's no annual fee to hold it in your wallet as a business owner. So guess what? That can save you money as well. But Marvin, let's see what other business credit cards they have available.
All right, they got the Business Rewards Visa, which is really similar to their personal card. Like Gloria said, they have 0% on 6 months for all the business cards. and you get unlimited points for every purchase every day. That is really cool, for your business, and it allows you to get rewards while you're spending money, because we're going to spend the money anyway.
Most definitely.
And then there's no charge for the extra employee cards. You got expense management tools that you can use to manage the bills. And also you got fraud monitoring and alerts. It's going to monitor your score. So these cards are really good to help you keep up with your expenses and keep up with your credit score. And, also if you got any kind of fraud on the card, you don't have to worry about it. But Gloria, let's tell them about the last business card that they have.
Okay, so the last card is the low interest rate card. This card doesn't come with all the amazing points and all of that, but it does give you a low interest rate.
Right.
This card is available for 6 months with 0% interest, as well as once you come out of that 0% interest, that interest rate is going to be the lowest that it can be out of all the 3 cards. Okay. So this is one card that you don't want to sleep on. There's no annual fee with this card, but Marvin, let's see what else that this bank has to offer, because right now they're winning.
And I want to tell you guys before we move forward, I got approved for $15,000 on the personal side. And guess what, guys? You can get approved for another $15,000 on the business side. So this bank is underwritten by TCM. The credit cards are. Anybody in America can actually apply for these cards and get pre-approved. Remember, guys, with just a soft pull. I want you guys to know, I wouldn't apply for these cards unless I have a 700 credit score. They're going to pull Experian, and I would have less than 3 inquiries on my Experian. Now we're going to switch over to the other products they have, and we're going to tell you about all the personal products that they offer.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into what else they have to offer, some of their loan products on the personal side, okay? So they do automobiles, they do boats, they do RVs. So if you're looking to get recreational vehicles or you're in the real estate, they have a wide range of things that they finance that you can, take a personal loan out for.
And when we called and did our research, the auto loans only go up to 60 months. Now, primarily, this bank is based in Kentucky. Now, they do have branches in Illinois and Missouri. I'll put up all the states that they're in, but realize this is a small regional bank, and they're probably going to be a little bit slow. They got paper applications. The only thing that I really saw that was fast was the credit cards, because you can get pre-approved, and then if you go ahead and complete it, you'll get approved. Remember, it will be a hard pull on your Experian. Now, during our research, we realized all of the personal products, they're going to pull TransUnion.
Most definitely.
And they said 60 months for the new automobiles. And also they said they had a personal loan. They couldn't give us an amount. I would assume it's still around 15,000. And they told us they would only go 36 months on the personal loan. Now, jumping into the real estate side, they do have 30-year mortgages. They also have construction loans. Now, one thing I thought was really cool, they got home equity lines. So let's just say you're already a homeowner. I would think about the home equity line. You know why? Instead of paying 4 or 5 minimum payments on a credit card that will take you forever to pay off, and you're giving away money with interest, why not take some of your home equity, consolidate those credit cards? Now, I'm not telling you to charge them back up again, but use that home equity, actually get rid of your debt. So guess what? Your credit score goes up.
Most definitely.
And if you're looking to start a business, now you got a super high score. You can set that free business strategy call with Gloria and myself, and we can help you raise up to $250,000.
Okay, Marvin, let's do a quick recap, okay? So keep in mind, Money Magnets, that they are going to pull TransUnion for the loan side of it. And they will pull Experian for the credit card. So make sure you don't have any fraud alerts. Make sure you don't have any freezes on your credit report. And also make sure, Money Magnets, that you keep in mind that you need to have a 700 credit score. They do paper applications, but don't let that scare you when it comes to applying for a personal loan. Don't let that scare you off, okay? There is a little bit of a slower process, but just know that this bank has a lot of great products and you can do it.
All right, guys. And remember, if you're looking to be a homeowner, you want to make sure Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion are all at 700. Make sure you got less than 3 inquiries on each one. And remember, they have FHA, VA, and conventional loans for first-time home buyers. So if you're serious about buying a house and you live in Illinois, Kentucky, or Missouri, this may be a great bank to start a relationship with. And guess what, guys? You can get on the business side and get those cards as well.
Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. I have a gem.
What you got, girl?
Okay, Money Magnets, if you are a new business and looking for $25,000 for your business, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.